knew about this? Bakit hindi umaabot yung panawagan niya sa Pangulo?
Well,
Anong accountability niya dito?
ang laki na accountability niya.
Aha.
Signing a budget riddled with insertions, tapos defunding PhilHealth and education, ang laking, I would say, responsibility ng Pangulo. Pero ang nangyari, nung mahiya naman kayo, yun ang analysis ko, guilty siya as well. Kaya lang, hindi niya marinig sarili niyang boses eh. So, ang nangyari, nag-form siya ng independent commission, dinidefer niya ngayon responsibility to this private sector na walang budget, walang staffing and all, tapos walang power for contempt and subpoena. So, I think, the president is guilty as well. Pero, ang lumalabas ngayon, siya ang bida dito, pero talaga, kung ikaw ang pumirma ng flawed budget na to at naiintindihan mo kung bakit mo dinefund ng PhilHealth at education at na-allow yung insertions na yon, hindi ba dapat inform ka about it and you sign that particular fraud document? Then therefore, you should also be accountable for this.